Yeah, they go down pretty quick. And then they get just for regular blood work.
Yeah.
Since she's sleeping. It's a good amount coming off though.
Yeah.
It'll make her wrist feel better, I'm sure.
Yeah.
A little bit short than maybe even the other
Better watch out for the pink ones, huh?
Sure,
That much.
New ones? Yeah.
These Mossimo. No, that's still Mossimo. Right here where that arch is. Cut that arch out. Nice. And that guy too. Mission accomplished. Hair. We gotta fuck the hair. Yeah. Get some more. I guess you can't get too much, right? You suck
Yeah,
it
you
in on
can't
that.
get too much.
Oh yeah, we'll look at her eyes too. My game pair of gloves, look at her mouth, and then we'll be done. It's all pinpoint. There's no cataracts. I'm gonna do that one, right?
Good. Okay.
Let's look at her mouth. CPR, not doing it again. Move your finger in there again. Good. Okay. Good.